I'm going to be showing you how to play Royal Match Dragon Nest. So in Royal Match, the Dragon Nest is one of the special team events. So I'm just going to show you here how it works. So the first thing to do is to join a team. Just open your Royal Match and look at the right side of the home button where you can see the team icon. Make sure you've joined a team and make sure you've completed levels. Every time you pass a level in Royal Match, regular, chest, or hard, you earn dragon eggs for your team. So the higher the level, the more eggs you usually get. So just fill that dragon nest. Your whole team contributes eggs to build and hatch dragons in the nest. So as you and your teammates collect enough eggs, new dragons hatch. Each hatched dragon gives team rewards like coins, boosters, or life. So at the end of the event, your team gets final rewards based on how many dragons you hatch together. So this is how you play Royal Match Dragon Nest. So it's really easy. Just focus on your team and there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.